Imagine a factory. Not just any factory, but one that seems like it's been plucked straight out of a science fiction movie. Picture a place where the hum of machinery is almost musical, and the air is filled with the soft whirring of robots working tirelessly. But not just any factory. This is a marvel of modern engineering, a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. This is a factory of the future. Robots work alongside humans, creating a seamless blend of man and machine. They collaborate on tasks, each complementing the other's strengths. They move with precision and speed, executing tasks with an accuracy that is almost impossible for humans to achieve alone. These robots are not controlled by people. They operate autonomously, making decisions in real time based on the data they collect. They learn and adapt using artificial intelligence. This AI allows them to improve their performance over time, becoming more efficient and effective with each passing day. This is not science fiction. This is the reality of modern industrial automation, a glimpse into what is already happening in some of the most advanced factories around the world. This is the future of industrial automation. It's happening now, and it's transforming the way we think about manufacturing. AI, the Internet of Things, and advanced robotics are changing how things are made. These technologies are interconnected, creating a network of smart devices that communicate and collaborate. This is a new industrial revolution. It's a revolution that is faster and more profound than any that have come before it. It's faster and more profound than ever before. The changes it brings are sweeping and will affect every aspect of our lives. This revolution will touch every industry. From manufacturing to logistics, from healthcare to retail, no sector will remain untouched. Manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, everything will change. The way we produce, deliver, and even diagnose will be revolutionized. The way we work will change too. Jobs will evolve and new roles will emerge that we can't even imagine today. New jobs will emerge, requiring new skills. The future is coming, and it's bringing with it opportunities for those ready to embrace change. And it's powered by automation. The factories of tomorrow are here today, leading us into a new era of innovation and efficiency. The first industrial revolution brought us steam engines. Factories were born. The second industrial revolution introduced mass production. Assembly lines changed everything. The third industrial revolution saw the rise of computers. Automation entered factories. Now we stand at the cusp of the fourth industrial revolution. This revolution is different. It's driven by intelligent systems. AI, IoT, and robotics are converging. They are creating a new era of smart factories. In these factories, machines communicate with each other. They analyze data and make decisions. Humans collaborate with robots. It's a new era of efficiency and productivity. Three groundbreaking technologies are driving this industrial revolution: AI, IoT, and robotics. These technologies work in harmony to create intelligent, interconnected systems that are transforming industries. AI acts as the brain of these systems. It enables machines to learn from data, adapt to new situations, and improve over time. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and making predictions that optimize production processes. This capability allows machines to make informed decisions autonomously, reducing the need for constant human oversight. IoT, or the Internet of Things, functions as the nervous system. It connects all devices and sensors within the factory. These sensors and devices continuously share information, creating a real-time, comprehensive view of the entire production process. This interconnectedness allows for quick identification and resolution of problems, minimizing downtime and enhancing efficiency. Robotics serve as the muscles of the operation. These robots perform tasks with unmatched precision and speed. They work alongside human workers, taking on dangerous or repetitive tasks that would be challenging or unsafe for humans. This collaboration allows human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks, enhancing overall productivity and job satisfaction. Section 4. Automation in Action: Tesla, Amazon, and the Future of Production. The impact of automation is already visible. From the assembly lines of Tesla's Gigafactory to the bustling aisles of Amazon's warehouses, automation is transforming how we produce and distribute goods. Companies like Tesla and Amazon are leading the way. They are not just adopting automation, they are pioneering new methods and technologies that are setting the standard for the industry. Tesla's Gigafactory is a prime example. This massive facility is designed to produce electric vehicles at an unprecedented scale, utilizing advanced robotics and automation to streamline the manufacturing process. Robots work in harmony with humans. This collaboration allows for a more efficient production line, where human ingenuity and robotic precision come together to create high-quality products. They build electric cars with incredible speed and precision. The robots handle repetitive tasks with accuracy, while humans focus on more complex and creative aspects of production. Tesla aims to revolutionize manufacturing. By pushing the boundaries of what is possible with automation, they are setting new benchmarks for efficiency and innovation in the automotive industry. They are pushing the boundaries of automation. Their efforts are not just about making cars faster, but also about improving the overall quality and sustainability of their products. Amazon's warehouses are another example. Robots assist human workers in picking, packing, and sorting items, making the entire process more efficient and less prone to errors. They pick and pack orders with efficiency. This automation allows Amazon to handle a massive volume of orders, ensuring that customers receive their products quickly and accurately. This allows Amazon to deliver products faster than ever before. The integration of automation in their logistics network has significantly reduced delivery times and increased customer satisfaction. These examples show the potential of automation. It is not just about replacing human labor, but enhancing it, making processes more efficient and products more reliable. It can increase efficiency, productivity, and safety. Automated systems can handle dangerous tasks, reducing the risk of injury for human workers and creating a safer work environment. But it also raises questions about the future of work. As automation becomes more prevalent, we must consider how it will impact employment and what steps we need to take to ensure a balanced and inclusive future. Section 5. The human element. Adapting to the new world of work. The rise of automation is causing anxiety. People fear losing their jobs to robots. It's important to remember that automation also creates new opportunities. Jobs will shift. Some jobs may disappear, but new jobs will emerge. These new jobs will require different skills. The key is to adapt and upskill. Humans will still be essential in the age of automation. We need people who can design, program, and maintain these complex systems. We need people who can work alongside robots. We need people who can think critically and solve problems. Section 6. Navigating the future. Upskilling and the rise of new-collar jobs. The future of work requires a new approach to education and training. We need to focus on skills that are in high demand. Technical skills, critical thinking, and problem-solving are essential. The traditional education system needs to adapt. We need to provide people with the skills they need for the jobs of the future. This includes lifelong learning opportunities. The rise of automation is creating new-collar jobs. These jobs require a mix of technical and soft skills. Examples include robotics technicians, AI trainers, and data analysts. These jobs offer exciting opportunities for the future. Section 7. Embracing the automation revolution, a call to action. The future of industrial automation is bright. It promises increased productivity, efficiency, and innovation. But we need to be prepared for the changes it will bring. We need to embrace lifelong learning. We need to adapt our skills to meet the demands of the new economy. We need to work together to ensure that everyone benefits from these advancements. The automation revolution is here. Let's embrace it and shape it to create a better future for everyone.